So as we identify the people that we want to begin to coach, begin to invest in, to pour ourselves into that 60 to 90 days a year, we're going to begin to think through what is that rhythm, what does expectation look like? And so I just want to lay out a few things that we're using here in Kansas City for that. So the first thing is that everybody who we decide to coach, they have a 4 fields planning worksheet completed. And really what this worksheet is, it's a result of going to a 4-day intensive, but it also is showing that this person is operating at a level that they have a grasp of what it takes, of what movement looks like, and they have a plan to go about to lead others in doing this. It also allows them to put together a gen map to show that they have been fruitful and faithful to go and to do the work themselves. And so that's the first step, is that we can work with them to get that completed, or they can attend a 4-day, and we can begin to work with them to have that filled out. And it also provides the basis of what we're coaching them towards. Without this worksheet, we may coach them, but there may be some differing opinions on what would be next. And so this allows us to really set the standard for us and exactly what the direction should be of this coaching relationship. Then, when that's completed, we'll begin doing regular 3/3 with them. And this may be in a group format. Maybe it's through online video calls, or maybe it's face-to-face, but they're a part of an upstream regular 3/3. Not where they're expected to lead, but where they're being invested in, where others where iron is sharpening iron, that they're being spoken into in that. And then in that regular 3/3 time, quarterly, they're going to gather, they're going to get out their 4 fields worksheets, and they're going to do an iron on iron. And so an iron on iron is just a simple tool that we use to help examine what are the barriers that we're facing. Are there common issues that we're seeing across the landscape, and what are some solutions to fix those? And so just a way to sharpen one another, and we do that quarterly in those 3/3 groups. And then on a semi-annual basis, everybody within Kansas City will gather together for a mid-level retreat. And so this is a way for us to gather as an entire network to see what are other people learning, what are maybe some other tools that are out there that maybe we could implement into ours, and maybe there's common barriers that are happening throughout the city, and a way to recast vision, and to really retreat and to enjoy fellowship, enjoy time with one another. And so this is what that rhythm looks like when we begin to coach people and we're beginning to spend intentional time with them. And so hopefully this is helpful, and you can begin to find that your 5 people that you want to be coaching, and begin to implement this process with them as well.